Good morning, John Glenn. Today is Tuesday, January 31st, 2023. I'm Aubrey,
And I'm Gavin.
and this is the view from the Falcon's Nest.
Anyone interested in signing up for intramural volleyball should see the senior board members at lunch. We do not have a freshman team yet. We only have one sophomore team, but we have two junior and two senior teams. Show off your school spirit and help your class earn points toward winning the Spirit Stick. Teams must be co-ed and all players must be in the same grade. The matches will be held next Wednesday, February 8th at 6 p.m. in the auxiliary gym. See Mr. Smith or Mrs. Parent with questions. The student winners will take on a team of staff members during the PEP assembly for homecoming.
In today's edition of Ready, Set, SAT, knowing what to do, expect on the SAT is part of being prepared for it. According to College Vine, the math portion of the SAT will progressively more difficult in the later half. The breakdown of questions: 1. Heart of algebra, 19 questions, or 33% of the test. That's linear equations and inequalities in their graphs and systems. 2. Problem solving and data analysis, 17 questions, or 29% of the test. This includes ratios, proportions, percentages, and units, analyzing graphical data, probabilities, and statistics. 3. Passport and advanced math, 16 questions, or 28% of the test. This involves identifying and creating equivalent expressions, quadratic and nonlinear equations and functions in their graphs. Identifying and creating equivalent expressions. 4. There will be additional topics in math that will include in 6 questions total. And that's today's Ready, Set, SAT.
Voting is over and the results are in, and that determines the candidate for winter homecoming. The senior girl nominees for Queen are Haley Eric, Emma Borton, and Kennedy Hayden, Mia Hooten, and Brooke Vermillion. The senior boy nominees are Matt Shula, Bryson Hanna, Alex Kaser, Rowdy Smith, and Nathan Taylor of Falcon Front. The class representatives who represent the court for the King and Queen are juniors Kaylee Hensler and Philip Walter, sophomores Daniel Devine and Keegan Kaminsky, and freshmen Trinity Banghart and Joseph Devine. Now to weather with Bo.
Good morning, Falcons. Today is going to be 6 degrees with a real feel of -3. The wind speed is going to be east 5 miles an hour, cloudy. For the 3-day forecast, Wednesday is going to be 26, sunny with a low of 2. Thursday is going to be 33, sunny with a low of 16. Friday is going to be 21, cloudy with a low of 10. Now to sports with Nathan.
Morning, Falcons. The Lady Falcons head to Bremen tonight for the first game of sectionals. They will be facing Culver Girls Academy. Now to lunch with Bo.
For lunch today, we are going to be having beef meat taco, Italian pepperoni calzone, refried beans, golden corn, variety of fruits, flour tortilla, and salsa. That's all.